have the rocket
actually don't want money.
You're gonna use it, aren't you?
Alright.
Okay, look at infinite. Guys, do not use any fireworks. We'll kill you.
I will.
Can I have pink
I'll be
shot?
my destiny. Who is getting out of the safe?
Who I go and kill? Who I go and kill tonight?
Who am I gonna kill?
Backpack.
Bro, that's so far. Oh my god. You got it. Shot him in the...
Who put a firework
There's
in the
nothing inside the backpack, by the way.
No one!
Yeah, my backpack's empty.
What? It doesn't even matter. What? I'll just do the job for you guys. I'll just do it. Okay.
You got
Here,
it.
I'll just do the job. Here, I'll just do the job.
Wait,
Let me do it so you don't waste your.
Thank you.
This is a lot of trouble.
Can someone buy me a rocket and a grenade?
No.
No. I need a rocket and a grenade.
Okay,
Come
so-
on, step back.
No, don't give him his stuff. Free
There's
rocket.
not gonna be captains.
Can someone buy me a grenade?
Go
I need
sell
grenade.
that.
Dude, can you buy me a grenade?
Alright, there.
Yo, can I
All
have one?
attention is
Can I
going
have
to
one?
this.
Can you buy me a
I don't
grenade?
know. Listen to you. Shut up.
How do you
Can
give
I
it?
have one? I
Guys,
don't have
come
enough.
out the safe zone for
I
no
would, but I
reason.
don't
Come
have
out the
enough.
safe zone so I can kill you.
Stop baiting
Hey,
people.
purple. There's a revolver over there. Wait, what?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Look how much money I have.
Yo, can someone buy me a grenade?
Kill the loot, man. We got him.
So,
Buy me.
oh my god! Oh my god!
Wait, what?
It's the Goku! Can someone buy me a
There's
grenade?
a revolver over there. There's a revolver over there. There's a revolver.
Oh,
He had no idea. Bro, I had no idea. So there's no captions in the video or anything.
for real? Let me see your watch.
Take it.
Oh,
Take it.
I'm not selling it.
Yo, can someone buy me a grenade?
What is that?
Alright, need money? I'm ready to nuke.
What about hanging this bad boy?
Yo, wait, I want to nuke your formation! Wait.
Yo, green.
Bro, we got it. That's 10.
Oh, you. I'm crushing. Oh,
Yeah.
you're dead. Can you buy me a grenade? I wanna go nuke someone. Here you go. Thanks.
I got you. I'll buy you a grenade.
Bro, I already got a grenade. That's wild. Someone get that other crossbow right there. Yeah, get that other crossbow.
You're cooked. No.
Come on, man. I wanted my thing.
Nah, let's take the loot.
No way.
Hey, go watch this.
I will. Oh my god.
Bro, I don't need a bag. No.
I will buy you mine.
No, it didn't work.
Oh shoot!
It didn't work.
It's a trap.
Buddy's trying to cap.
I have a revolver. I gotta go with my friend.
Buddy's capping. He does not have a revolver. He wants me to sell it.
Oh my god!
Come here.
Can someone buy me rocket and grenade?
He didn't die. This cat has move. Never mind. He doesn't have moves at all. So no editing.
Red. Someone again. It's so funny.
I'll sell it. I'm about to sell it.
One of those.
But where'd that
Hey,
one
there's a
go?
grenade right here. There's a grenade. Oh fuck.
Yo, get into a code and let me join
Dude, I have a question.
Grenade.
I have a question, Pink.
Sell it for you and
Pink
buy
cat.
it.
Pink cat, I have a question. I have a question. Can you buy me a rocket?
Guys,
I
there's
didn't
a
hear
new
you. You gotta say that
item
again.
inside of this.
I was about to give you these 2 Regas in a private code, but you should.
He's right there.
Fine, it's fine.
I'm a nuke someone.
I'm trying to reach 300 because I lost all of
Who's I gonna
Time to
nuke?
go broke.
Hey, but low key, if you
my
still want
friend
me in the
has
code,
my
I'll join the
revolver,
code with you
but
just so I can
he
get
has
the money.
like 5
Get his stuff.
White, where are you? Baby White! Give me White! Playboy Peep! Playboy Peep! Playboy Peep! Touch it, boy! What? Where's Playboy Peep? Where's Playboy Peep? I'm Playboy Peep, are you there? Someone kill me!
Nuking.
No! It's Playboy
Bro, how did I? Oh yeah, I forgot that it had I forgot that I had red. Oh no, British trolling is actually going insane.
Playboy Peep, where are you? Playboy Peep.
Wait, Pink, can you buy me rocket and grenade?
Who wants
No,
to
baby girl.
who wants to
I'll
trade
buy you
something
the
for 2
grenade.
ray guns?
No,
Playboy Peep!
I don't have enough money for grenade.
2 ray guns.
It is pretty funny.
What do you want to? What do you guys want to trade for 2 ray guns?
right now.
Swear to God.
Playboy Peep, where the fuck are you? I can't hear you.
I'm gonna try that.
Guys, I'm
He
gonna
thought
show you.
anyways.
Can you buy me grenade, please? Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Are you serious?
Playboy Peep, I'm not touching you. Everyone, if you can find a man,
Name Playboy Peep.
if you can find a green guy named Playboy Peep, I'll give you money.
I just sold 2 ray guns. Was that worth it?
Let me get that ring.
Gosh, I'll give you shotguns if you find a green guy called Playboy Peep.
Pink, get the red one.
Yo,
Guys, there's revolvers over there. Pink,
I'll give. I mean,
revolvers over there. I want to see.
no, not revolver. I'll give you.
Oh, where's the revolvers? Red, where's the revolvers?
On my butt cheek.
Oh, jeez. No, not yet. But can you give me my grenade back?
Are you broke?
Only one deal. Dude!
I lost. Yo, bro, do you need your grenade back? Look, bro, look how much grenade. I'm pouring it in.
Wait. I got a grenade now. Grenade.
Alright.
I'm gonna nuke someone.
It didn't work. I'm cooked.
Oh,
It didn't work.
yes, bitch, you really think I give a fuck? Oh,
Dude, there's so much chaos.
I'm gonna bust on you.
Playboy Peep.
You know what Playboy
Everybody,
Peep is?
come chase me. Everybody in the whole lobby. Okay.
Sure, but
Stop
I'm
right
gonna find
there.
my friend. He's in the lobby.
So I'll nuke the server with you.
Got him. Got him.
Black, what the fuck you doing?
Everybody, come in the lobby. They're chasing me. Rocket and grenade. That was funny. Everybody chase me.
Everybody's getting a
me.
Wait, I need a rocket and
grenade first.
Nobody's gonna
I need a
chase
rocket and
you.
grenade. Get back here.
Alright, so now we're just gonna keep on doing it for like 5 more minutes.
I have a ray gun. I need a rocket and a grenade. Give me a rocket and a grenade.
Yo, what's up, guys?
I'm spazzing. Where am I going? Go.
Oh my god.
Just take that. Thank you. Yes, very much. Go.
He's blinded. Kill him. Anyone have a ray gun? Does anybody have
Oh shoot, someone's in the phone.
these?
Everybody chase me!
Nobody wants to chase you. I need a rocket. I need a rocket.
Chase me!
I turned into a
You
noob.
Okay, that's
racist.
Really, Brandon?
Look at
Can you buy me a rocket and grenade? I got a rocket and grenade. I got a rocket and grenade.
everybody
Why am I red? Wait, it makes me red.
Kill him!
Run. You need to run.
Everyone's dying! I fucking died! That's right!
He didn't even mean to jump into the grenade.
I literally suck.
I'm gonna have a ray gun. I'll take
I'm invincible.
Fuck you, Remy.
Stop killing people.
Nobody likes you. You want it? Get it. Baby, you're bad.
Yeah, let me get it.
How did I kill him?
Oh, that's so stupid. I realized what I was holding.
Yes, bitch, you really think I give a fuck?
Jimmy, come
Everybody chase me!
Let's get
Get
Summit.
What's up?
What even is that? Never mind, I know what that is now.
Please don't stop.
Your ray gun's
Yo, who wants one?
It's gonna eat. 1, 2, 3.
You guys are cooked.
Yo.
Haha, that's why you suck at the game. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I
What
probably
is
have
your
red
bro
watch,
doing?
don't I? No, I
Bro,
probably
you're
just
so cooked.
Bro, you killed
I'm not
both of
cooked. I'm
us.
actually not cooked.
I know. 1.
What's on, nigga?
Huzzah.
Run,
Hey, give me that empty backpack. It's empty. Anyways, open
I
it.
need a rocket grenade.
Can I have that backpack?
Here I go!
I just wanted my backpack back, baby.
Who's a red watch?
Watch out for Red. He has a lot of backpacks. He has a backpack full of unpinned grenades. Wait, what?
Yeah, you want one?
Mustard! How do I have
Nobody likes the
$5,000?
color code pink.
Dude, so much is happening.
I'm starting to fail. Bro,
You're not slick. You're not slick.
Nobody gonna fall for it.
No, don't do it. I'll fall for it. I want it.
Hey, everybody! Black is doing a... No, I was like action. Black, yeah, I'm about right.
Hey, can you get me some this game? I got a run. Can you give me some?
Everybody who wants to come with me to throw this in the lake.
Pink.
Absolutely no one.
Pink. Wait,
Black.
pink. Get on my
back.
Over
Here
here.
you go. It was
I'll
a
take you
prank.
there. Let's go.
Hey, my people, you're Mr. Crossbow.
Black, are you doing the same thing?
Yeah.
Fire. Okay, can you get me some?
No,
Please, I'm gonna help you
Run,
bomb
run.
kids.
but I don't have enough anymore.
Oh, shit.
No.
If I report you.
Nobody likes you, nobody likes you.
Pink, I have a question. Can you buy me a rocket grenade? Because I want to nuke someone.
Sticky.
Oh my god!
Last bitch, you really think I give a fuck?
No one will catch me alive.
My bag.
I'm
My
sorry, Black, I
butthole.
didn't know.
Someone nuke me, please.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Somebody nuke me!
I'm gonna nuke the server.
Can you get me some?
How did that still work? Did you
know.
see that?
I'll get you some.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Yo, watch out! Watch out, guys! He's coming! Oh,
Does everybody know you can buy the rocket twice?
Bro.
So
Someone nuke me.
watch out!
I'm nuking the server. Someone nuke me, please.
somebody nuke him! Somebody nuke him! Look, it still works! It still works! It still works! I told you!
How does this
I
still
know
work?
that, idiot.
What do you mean?
That's so much fun. Black! Come here! Black!
Someone's gonna kill me.
Kill yourself here! Black! Here! Here, Black! Black monkey! Black monkey! Do you want to run? Ready? Go! Everybody, go get it!
Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.